My name is Kim Ferry. I've been in the industry since 1996. I have been consistently working in television and film for about 24 years now, and I've loved every second of it. It is a lot of work, but I really, really love it. So I'm doing what I love.
Hi, my name is Leslie. I've been a cosmetologist for a lot of years. I've been in the union since 2007.
So my name is Daniela Martinez. I am a cosmetologist. I have been doing hair since I was 18. I got my license when I was 18.
I came to Barber boot camp not knowing really what I was going to get myself into, but I learned so much. Honestly, I have always wanted to learn fades. It's something that I never really learned because when I was in beauty school, it was the 80s, so it was a completely different kind of cutting system back then.
I never really practiced barbering. The school that I went to didn't really teach it.
I feel like it's been hard for me to learn the steps because I didn't know who to ask. I've been watching barbers over the years, but now that I came to boot camp, I know the exact steps of what to do and in what order and why you do the certain things you do, which I've been watching people barber for a long time. I just didn't know why they were doing what they're doing. So now I really feel like I know what they're doing.
I feel like I learned so much in the short 2 days that I was here. The hands-on was great, the presentation, the demos, everything was great. I feel like I learned so much in like fading, and I was always so scared of fading, and now I feel like I can do it, and I'm confident and I'm comfortable. And I think that's one of the main reasons why I took this course, was just to build that confidence, and this class really, really helped me.
I would refer definitely anyone who is interested in hair cutting, interested in fades, but honestly this has been such an educational experience because I never would have been able to learn everything that I did today without Lou. I am very grateful to him. He's the best. So please come and take this class because you will learn so much.
I would definitely recommend Barber Boot Camp to a friend because I learned so much. I didn't know if I would actually learn a ton of stuff because I've been trying to learn for a long time. I was doing certain films back in the day, like indie films, so I would follow my friend at his barber shop and watch him. So I did learn a little that way, but to learn the actual steps in order, the certain guards you use or blades that you use, and how to actually blend everything together.
And I am so grateful that I was here, and it was just such a great class, and I really did learn a lot. The models were really great, and I definitely learned a lot. I really feel better about the fades.
Lou the barber is so awesome. He makes the class so fun. He's awesome. I want to take every class he teaches.
And I would rate Lou a 10. He was great, super personable, makes you feel comfortable, makes you feel like home, makes you feel like you're part of his family, which is great, and it really relaxes you because for me it's really intimidating barbering, and he really takes that out and you just feel comfortable. He really does help you step by step, every step of the way. He's there guiding you, and it's super helpful, something that you can't get just by watching videos. So I feel like if you are wondering if you should take this class, you definitely should, even if you're not experienced. And I feel like I was not an experienced barber. I feel like my skills were really low in that department, but thanks to this class and thanks to Lou, my skills have soared and I feel comfortable. I would say that the most rewarding part of this was seeing something from start to finish, and seeing everything going through Lou's system, fading, blending, everything. I feel like that was something that was really big for me and something that was a huge takeaway. Last shout out, if you are hesitant about this class, definitely take it. I recommend it. Like I said, I had basically no barbering skills, and now I feel super confident, like I can do any haircut. And I think that's something that if you're wondering if you should take it, you should definitely take it, because you will feel the same way after.